Transfer VR partnering with Trio Education. Building a career pathway for your students.
If you can change one student's life by giving them an opportunity for a job that they would not normally have, then you actually are creating a lifestyle change for that person. The good that this system has done for our students alone is tremendous, and the joy that they have getting a chance to do something that is hands-on, even in the virtual realm, gives them an opportunity to be successful.
In March 2016, Governor Abbott established the Tri-Agency Workforce Initiative, where he tasked the commissioners of the TEA, the Coordinating Board, and TWC to work together to develop strong links between education and industry, with the goal of helping Texas grow in economic prosperity. The nature of work is rapidly changing. The younger generation has an outdated view of CT-related jobs, or they just aren't aware of these occupations. And the result of this is that only 5% of high school students consider manufacturing jobs. But in reality, 1.3 million jobs were added in the last decade preceding the COVID crisis, and with an average wage of $46,000. Millions of jobs that do not require a four-year degree are available, ranging from skilled trades to manufacturing to automotive repairs to construction. If we're going to reach Texas's 60 by 30 goals and strengthen the value of career and technical education and improve alignment between community college and regional workforce needs, we need to begin to work smarter, not harder, by using immersive hands-on training as an instructional solution.
We would do a lot of that with PowerPoint presentations with an instructor, over a class of 25 people sitting in there for 2 or 3 hours, taking in pictures and listening. And then you would walk over the next night to go put your hands on and start trying to use the tool. And it's almost as if you didn't do anything the day before.
We don't need more monitoring. We don't need more compliance reports. We need more innovative thinking. We need more partnership. We need more understanding of the challenges and working together to overcome those challenges.
Trio Electric is an electrical design, construction, and service firm based in Houston, Texas. We do work all over the state. The types of projects that we work on range from school buildings, hospitals, office buildings, parking garages, multifamily, residential, hotels, you name it. Anything that is a skyline-changing project, Trio Electric likes to do. In order to grow Trio Electric, we had to find more electricians. Searching far and wide, I couldn't find any electricians coming out of schools, coming out of the trade association, coming out of community colleges, or otherwise. And they sure weren't coming off the street because they're all employed.
As we were growing, and many others were, we saw a need for deeper workforce pools. And one of the areas I felt like was a gap was we were missing people out of high school. I would see resumes of 3 to 5 years of bouncing around from minimum wage job to minimum wage job. And I was wondering, why are we missing these people, when they're coming out of school?
There's an insatiable appetite for talent, and the workforce system needs to realize that. So we are never going to satiate what business and industry need. They will continue to grow. They will continue to staff up as long as the workforce community is able to provide them a talent pipeline.
Because students are charged with choosing a pathway between their 8th and 9th grade year, Transfer's work with career exploration brings real-world exposure to their fingertips. Transfer is a workforce development platform that uses virtual reality simulations to help students explore and train to give them the knowledge and the hands-on skills they need to get well-paying jobs, and is being used as a CCMR tool. They can explore multiple careers in immersive and transformative ways, which enables them to make an informed decision about their future pathway and career. The exploration simulations also align with Texas's industry clusters and LMI, which gets them excited about their future, wage potential, graduation, and or securing that labor market credential. We partnered with a major defense contractor to test the efficacy of our training with a cohort of 20 individuals who had no prior manufacturing experience. All 20 of them mastered the training To test the efficacy, the major defense contractor tested them on physical equipment. All 20 of them passed that test, and the major defense contractor offered all of them job offers. And since then, they've hired over 200 individuals. What's actually really compelling is that those who've been in the job for 6 months or longer, they're seeing a 93% retention rate, meaning those who choose to do the job want to stay on the job longer instead of switching career pathways.
This video demonstrates how the hands-on simulation-based training system works.
Transfer's industry experts develop each skill's learning objectives to ensure alignment with standard industry practices. These experts, instructional designers, and developers collaborate to create engaging, effective, and authentic training simulations that build trainees' skills while addressing common misconceptions. A virtual coach guides trainees through a 10 to 15-minute supervised tutorial.
Some tools require regular calibration,
where they interact with realistic tools and environments to master their skills. Trainees develop the muscle memory they'll need on the job through hands-on interactions.
So that is awesome!
The fun one-on-one training motivates job seekers to learn their new skills through trial and error without peer judgment or embarrassment. The virtual coach is their personal mentor,
The space between the jaws should be just a bit smaller than the width of this strip bolt head.
checking for understanding and correcting the trainee when they make mistakes.
Try the other direction.
After the guided tutorial, the trainee demonstrates their skill mastery through hands-on practice at their own pace. Trainees receive feedback from the virtual coach
Keep the cardboard steady as you cut.
and can review the tutorial at any time.
Awesome.
Transfer's proprietary mastery algorithms track and analyze every trainee action to provide employers insight into a candidate's skills. After successfully mastering the simulations, job seekers confidently demonstrate their new skills to show employers they are job ready on day one. The job offer and acceptance completes the life-changing journey from classroom to well-paying career.
Transfer's mission is to create alternative pathways to prosperity. We believe that everyone should be able to find a well-paying job, and that a world where that is true is better for everyone. The people, the companies that employ them, the communities they live in. Transfer brings together community leaders, workforce development organizations, educational institutions, and industry, so that together we can give everyone a better chance at success.
The Electrical Pre-Apprenticeship Program was designed to combat the continuing industry issue that is a shortage of skilled labor. And so the only way I thought to grow my firm was to start to grow people. And so that's how we started the Electrical Pre-Apprenticeship Program, was by offering electrical training to those people who could come off the street without much knowledge or skills in the space, and then upskill them to be able to get employed and be productive and safe in the industry. Simulation-based virtual reality training is far superior than doing it the old-fashioned way. The reason it's superior is because you can control the outcomes. The consistency in lesson plans, the consistency in lessons, the performance verification that can be accomplished in a headset or on a computer-based program is much easier to achieve than doing it in a classroom with an instructor at the front and hoping that the lesson plans are consistent across all platforms.
Everyone is getting that same instruction, but with that VR, they're actually getting to pick up the tools, put their hands on it as they're hearing the instructor speak into their ears, and actually physically touch in that VR environment, which to me, I think is the big ticket there.
The program benefits schools because most schools are looking for career and technical education. And we have seen some very successful programs in schools. However, those programs are not very scalable. Why? It's hard to find an instructor who has the skill set of the technical side and can be a good teacher. And so that is a limiting factor to how many students can enter into these programs, A. B, these schools have these programs that are taught in a classroom that gets built out that mirrors a construction site. The cost of that is a lot to build out that construction site in the classroom. The cost of operating that also is expensive because you have tools and consumables and personal protective equipment that the students have to be in that environment and operate safely. The technology that we now have and the delivery method we are incorporating removes all of that risk and all of that cost and allows this to be a much more scalable, successful program with very similar learning outcomes that ultimately lead the students to getting a job.
The biggest success is the curriculum, the modules that we have on there now that have kind of been built for our training, puts our students in a real life work environment where they can actually get experience without technically getting experience. And we all know when we're interviewing for jobs, one of the prerequisites for a job is to have experience. It's hard for high school students to get that experience without actually working in a manufacturing environment. And with them having the opportunity to do it virtually, again, it gives our students an opportunity and advantage over other possible employees. And anytime that our students are given an opportunity over other potential employees or other students, it's a win for us and it's a win for them. The experience, like I said, is incredible for them because they couldn't get that experience any other way than to actually be on a job site and to get log the hours and the time in the virtual work setting, the workplace. It really prepares them for what a job's going to be.
Another benefit to the schools of why the Electrical Pre-Apprenticeship Program is so good is that it brings an employer partner to the table. So Trio Electric, the company that I own and run, will give those students jobs when they complete our program. And if for some reason I can't hire them because I don't have space for them, I will find other contractors in the industry to hire those students if they go through this program. And so not only is the technology superior, gives great learning outcomes, provides the schools the career and technical education that they want, need, desire, gives the students outcomes in terms of getting jobs, but those students get the jobs through the partnership that we bring to the table. The way we measure the success of this program is the schools are getting weighted funding for the program, the students are getting jobs after the program, and the employer partner, as in Trio, is getting employees. So it's a win-win-win for everybody.
If we are able to better position youth to succeed, we fundamentally change their life going forward from an economic development standpoint. Their financial stability is significantly enhanced. And when we talk about breaking the trends of generational poverty and individuals who aren't able to go to college, that's fine. We need to understand that that's fine. There are any number of extremely well-paying jobs that don't require a 4-year degree. Simply because of where you were born or the zip code that you live in should not dictate what happens with you going forward.
This program will benefit students because it will help them get a job. And that job will lead to a lot of other things hopefully down the road. First and foremost, it will give them a great foundation of money rather than debt, a foundation of skills that they have and can utilize not only in the construction field, but in many fields. They will gain financial literacy, they will gain interpersonal and employable skills, soft skills, etc. In addition to all of that, these students will gain the technical know-how to gain a job in a space that's desperate for talent.